When we talk about the next generation program, leadership and change are the two words that come to my mind. To be a good leader, we need to know about ourselves. This program helped me with that through a series of classroom learning, experience sharing from our leaders, and exercise such as the hot house and role play.
Coming into the Next Generation program, we were told to connect, experiment, and reflect to get the most out of our experience there. Since the program, my critical influence and leadership skills have increased noticeably. I'm collaborating more effectively, innovating, and thinking bigger picture. I've also got a much better understanding of the global challenges and opportunities facing Pru.
The Next Generation programme really pushed me outside of my comfort zone and has left me with so much more confidence than before. It really gave me time to focus on my own development areas and to think about what sort of leader I want to be, and I think it's really left me with a toolkit to be more effective in my role and future roles going forward.
One of the main learnings for me, which has been incredibly reassuring, was that whatever challenges or difficulties I might be finding in my role, it's certainly not unique to me, and it was really helpful to find that there are a lot of other people, both within the cohort and both the speakers, that have been through similar challenges in their careers.
Through this program, I also learned a lot about the global trend of digitalization, as well as the importance of embracing and adapting to these changes. I will certainly keep that mindset in my day-to-day work going forward.
I recognize the need to help sustain the Next Generation program and helping pay it forward by serving as a mentor to other future leaders within the organization, helping to nominate future candidates for cohorts of Next Generation program, as well as serving as a resource to my peers within Cohort 1.
In terms of paying it forward, I think it might be quite a nice idea that for future cohorts, those of us that have participated in this first cohort act as a mentor or a buddy for the future participants, sort of sharing some of our learnings and help encourage them to make the most of the opportunity.
One thing I'll always remember from my time on the programme is being up on stage in a large room, in a country I'd never been to, talking about a subject I previously knew nothing about, and realising that I was actually okay about it. That for me was a great achievement.
One particular notable memory for me was participating in the hot house. I was very surprised but also really encouraged to see how much a group of people could output over the space of 2 days when that was their pure focus.
Ultimately, this will be an experience I take with me forever. The connections made, places traveled, and skills acquired have better equipped me to help lead Pru through the next century. Now it's on all of us to sustain this momentum going forward to help carry Pru into the next generation of leadership.